Welcome to Tech Learners. Like the video and subscribe the channel for the latest videos and updates. Today we will learn to install Sublime Text in our system. To download, let us write Sublime Text on the Google. So we can see this is the Sublime Text website. We'll click on the website and here it is the download link for the window download. Download is completed. Let us click on the exe to install Sublime Text. We can see this is the default location of the Sublime Text. C program files Sublime Text. So we'll click on next. Click on next and install. So the installation is completed. Let's click on finish. Let's close the browser and open the Sublime Text. So this is the latest version of the Sublime Text 3. So this is the text editor. We have successfully installed Sublime Text in our system.